Hello, today we will check if this phone has a charger included in the box, in the factory set, I can say. As you know, some brands do not include chargers, so you have to buy them separately, and we will check how it is in the case, in this company, in the OnePlus company, in the OnePlus Nord 2 5G smartphone. So let's quickly open it. I'm gonna put the phone here. As you can see, there's the OnePlus Nord 2. There's no any scam, so we don't have to be afraid of that. And yes, as you can see in the phone, in the box, we can find the 65-watt warp charge. So yeah, that's cool. And also we can find the signature cable, the red cable with USB-C that you can plug in this place in the OnePlus Nord 2. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.